So welcome to Gyan ki Khichdi competition English vocabulary part 2. So let's begin. The first one is succor. परेशानी में सहायता नाउन है. ओके आगे है synonyms. Synonyms क्या है? aid, assistance. Antonyms देखेंगे. Antonyms are hurt, obstruction. Let's learn with example. Example is we see it as our duty to give succor to those in need first. Next one. Next is shattered. Shattered बड़ा श है. परेशान adjective है. Okay, so let's see. Synonyms are exhausted, exhausted, crippled. Antonyms देखेंगे. Antonyms are unbroken, unbroken. Next is lively. Let's learn with example. Example is the rock shattered, shattered the window. Next one is it is gaily, gaily. It means sukhpurvak, adverb. Synonyms are है cheerfully, cheerfully, pertly. Antonyms हैं क्या क्या देखते हैं? darkly and afterwards miserably. Example. Okay, the example is children, okay, gaily running to the buses on the last day of school. It's refute, refute, khandan. Verb. Synonyms stands as contradict, oppose. Antonyms. Okay, it's admit, then allow. Example. Examples are basically in English only. Okay, try to understand. She refuted the allegations against her. Okay, next is recriminations. If word is big, break it. Recriminations. Arop, noun. Synonyms are accusation, accusation. Antonyms commendation. Example is the meeting ended with bitterness and recriminations. अगर शब्द बड़ा हो तो उसे तोड़ के पढ़ें. जैसे गागेंचुअन, गागेंचुअन. ओके, विशाल एडजेक्टिव. ओके, synonyms are enormous, gigantic, gigantic. Antonyms dwarf, miniature. Example is people seem to be buying ever more gargantuan SUVs these days.